In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. I adjusted the text correction options on all devices I ever tested because they make typing much easier and faster. The only problem is that they're really hard to find, so today I will show you exactly where to locate them and then how to access them much faster in the future. So to begin, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on System and Update, Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Now click on Text Correction section here and manage all of those options however you want to. Now to access text correction options much faster in the future, swipe up and click on gray switcher next to Show Suggestion strip to activate it. When your switcher is blue, you can close Settings and launch your keyboard. Then tap on gear icon at the top of it and hit text correction right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!